If you want to block someone on Indeed, follow these simple steps to ensure you can manage your interactions effectively. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Indeed website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are on the homepage once logged in. Step 2. Go to your profile. Click on your profile icon or your name, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. This will take you to your account settings and profile information. Step 3. Navigate to privacy settings. Look for the privacy or account settings section within your profile. This area allows you to manage who can see your information and how you interact with others. Step 4. Find the blocked users option. In the privacy settings, locate the option for managing blocked users. This section will list any users you have previously blocked and provide an option to add new ones. Step 5. Block the user. Enter the name or email address of the person you want to block and confirm your choice. Once blocked, they will no longer be able to view your profile or contact you through Indeed. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your connections on Indeed. If you have any further questions, consider checking the Indeed Help Center for more detailed guidance.